Assalamualaikum. Today I'm going to make a super fun dish that I think kids will absolutely love. Tuna rice ball. These are easy to make and so simple. Let's do it. All the ingredients I put on the screen. Firstly, we're gonna dice the carrot into small pieces. Here I will cook 1 cup of rice. After washing the rice, we put in normal water like usually you cook the normal rice. Then we add in corn kernels and carrot. This will add sweetness and crunch to the rice ball. Then add in 1 tablespoon of seasoning powder to make the rice more tasty. Mix it together. Then cook it in the rice cooker. So simple, right? Dice half of cucumber into small pieces. This will adding the fresh and crunchy texture for the rice ball. Open a can of tuna and take out the excess oil. We just use the tuna itself. Then put in 2.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Mix it together. Because I want it to be more tasty, I add 1 more tablespoon of chili sauce. Okay, our rice is cooked already. Let's take it out. We will add tuna mixture, diced cucumber, and some seasoning seaweed. Mix everything up until well combined. Now with clean hand, grab a portion of the rice mixture and shape it into little balls. These rice balls are super quick to make and perfect for a grab and go meal. Remember to squeeze it hard so it can be firm. And there you have it, my lazy tuna rice ball. They are quick, filling, and perfect for when I'm in rush. I love making this when I'm too busy to cook a full meal. Hope you give them a try.
And here we are with our today's recipe, tuna rice balls. Look at these. It's so bally, cute. Smells delicious. Let's give it a try. Look at this. Bismillah. Wow. Really wow. Super delicious. The tuna mixed with the mayonnaise and a little bit of chili give it a creamy texture. Very nice. With the crunchiness of all the veggie and the seaweed. Wow. Perfect, man. You should try this at home. I'm sure the kid gonna love this too. 100%. You should try this at home, man. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out our new recipe together. If you have anything to say, comment, feedback, or want me to cook something specific, just let me know in the comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.